and we came here with him because we don't want him to be lonely. So now I'm gonna put my feet inside the water. Really? Ria, come on. Yes. Oh! Throw them now. No, they're pretty rock. No, and my dad is fishing behind me. I made the sign, Mommy. That's just the way it is, Ria. Because they're
Say what?
No. We say pa. We're still here, and like it's freezing cold. So now our daddy is still freezing, so we're going to make cakes. Yeah, and then eat it. That means my dad wants to make it too. And this is how it looks like. The pen is different. I got green and Ria got purple. Yeah, and also for 5 minutes we have to put the pen inside, and this is the this is the small cake, and we write whatever we want, and then like we put the sprinkles. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, we don't have to decorate it. Like, hey, look at this. I can smell it. Now we're melting our tubes. Tubes? Swimming tubes? No. Swimming tubes? No. Move away like the other one. Oh, my dad's going to do that. Yummy. Dot. Yours is a little bit greenish. And mine is supposed to be purplish. Look at my cake. It's still not ready. I love it. No, I don't. And now we're done, and the icing is hard. And the icing is hard because if it's cold, then it dries. Yeah. So just now, right away, the people next to us, fireworks. Yeah, fireworks. We're still eating our cake. There are fireworks. Yeah. Maybe. Today was like a fun day. We got to make mini chocolate. Yeah, and also like we get to stay at the beach as long as I want. No, that's not true. As long as Daddy wants. And don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend.